Hi guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful 1970 Camaro, 4-speed car, 350 under the hood, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna take a look at that period correct 350. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire this Camaro up. Look at this beautiful car. The bumper looks brand new. The grille looks brand new. The bezels on the headlights are in great shape. And this paint, slick as can be. Those stripes are buried underneath the clear. That emblem even looks nice. Looks like it's brand new, matter of fact. And look at this line, nearly perfectly straight and nearly perfectly flush. Look down that line. I'll tell you what, you could roll a marble down that line. Wheel and tire combo looks great. Emblem on the side here looks original to the car, but in great shape. That line there lines up nice. Beautiful trim around the window. See how nice and easy that door opens up? Everybody knows these great big old doors didn't open up that easy even on the day. This one's been well adjusted. The lips look good. Jam's nice and clean. Rubber's been replaced. Get in here and grab the keys. That quarter as straight as can be. That stainless looks original to the car and it's beautiful. Love the little spoiler on the back. Trims on the taillight bezels look good. Chrome on the rear bumper looks new. Only got one key to choose from on this one. Look at that. Even got a spare in there. There's a jack, a lug wrench. All the paint work here in the gutter system looks good. The rubber looks good here. Bottom side of the deck lid looks good, and these lips here on the deck lid where that skin's folded over looks great. Now look down the side of the car. Straight as can be. Look at that. Beautiful paint work. Those wheel lips feel good. You always want to check these wheel lips. Look at that line. Beautiful. This door operates nice also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check the cars out, then we buy them. We've got about 215 cars in stock right now and we own every one of them. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you anything you want to know about this beautiful Camaro. Now let's check out this interior. Look at that door panel. Beautiful. The interior on the car is phenomenal. It looks great. Seat covers look good. The carpeting looks great. And man, that Hurst Shifter really looks good in there. Now that extra seat belt you see laying on the front seat there, that's actually for the shoulder belts. And the shoulder belt is up here where it belongs. We have seat belts in the rear. Headliner's in good shape. Dome lights working. Dash itself's in great shape. All the chrome on the dash looks good. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. This is an overall beautiful car. All right, 70 Camaro time, guys. Let's go racing. 350 under the hood. She feels like she's got plenty of power. Trans feels great. Get around these curves here. It's like driving on a road racing course here. Just as smooth as can be. I'm ready to go racing, guys. This baby is sweet. Downshift into second here. Grabbing second, no problem. Brakes are stopping me nice and straight. And around the corner here. Some acceleration. Oh yeah. Throwing the cameraman around in the seat here. You can tell how much acceleration we got by how much the camera's moving. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this Camaro anywhere in the world. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about it. You need help with financing, no problem. We got bankers. We got 2 different bankers we can work you with. Now down here on the dash, the tach's working, the speedo's working. Looks like the temp gauge is coming up. Fuel gauge works, amp gauge. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Looks kind of like an old-fashioned radio. It does play music. Even the horn's beeping. I tell you, the 4-speed is definitely 4-speeding. No problem whatsoever. That Hurst Shifter's shifting nice and smooth. Upshifting, downshifting. Like I said, I'll tell you what. I had my car out on the road racing course. I wish I had this one. This one handles a lot better than my car does on road racing. Get through all the gears here. Right down through all the gears too. Oh, look at this guy in a Subaru, thinks he's got something. Not nearly as cool as this Camaro right here. Now, we love to have visitors at Vanguard, so please come visit us. We'd love to show you this car or one of the other 40 cars we get in this month. We got 215 in stock. And don't forget, we buy cars too, so if you got high quality cars to sell, give us a call at 248-974-9512. Now stick with us, because we're gonna do something the other guys don't do. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna take a look under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your muscle car. All right, we're underneath this blue Camaro now, and man, she's pretty under here. Look at that, brand new tank, brand new exhaust system, drop downs look beautiful, spring packs look rebuilt, sway bar bushings look good, right around the 373 gear in this 12-bolt Posi. The exhaust system looks great. Look at that frame. This is all red oxide primer under here, and it is beautiful. Brand new fuel lines, all the P-clips are there. Parking brake cables are there. They got band clamps here, so if you want to take the exhaust system apart, it's real easy. Brand new fuel line, or actually that's a brake line, that's a fuel line. Drive shaft is a professionally built drive shaft. It's got the name of the company right there, along with the phone number, it looks like. All the bushings are new. Backside of the rocker looks good. Pinch wells look good. We've got a Muncie trans. Got the cast bell housing. They got the overspray just like from the factory. Beautiful paint on the bottom side of the motor here. Looks like the disc brake calipers up front are new. The ball joints are new. The sway bar bushings are new. Looks like the shocks are new. Just beautiful. Now we got drum brakes on the back, and the guys will pull those all apart. Make sure they're in good working order. Gearbox case looks like it's new. All the bushings look good up here. All the dust covers look good. All the bushings in the sway bar up front look good. I always check the core support on these cars. This core support looks awesome. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Bottom of the valance right down to the bottom edge is painted beautifully, and it's in great shape. This is a beautiful Camaro, guys. You better get yourself a set of mirrors so you can stick it underneath this car so you can show it off wherever you go. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, 235 60-15s on some BFGs on some great looking rims. And look at those wheel wells, how nice clean they are. The front fender, I always try to get a finger up in there and feel around. I feel nice smooth metal in there, and that pinch weld's beautiful. Rocker molding looks great. It's a gorgeous car. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, looks like the same size tires, same beautiful rims. And look at that paintwork right down to the bottom edge, looks great. Always check right here. I get down in there, look around. I mean, this looks brand new. Feel this edge. All I feel is two nice thin pieces of steel there. Beautiful work, beautiful car. This car had to start out as near perfect. That pinch weld there, gorgeous. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this looks brand new also. Now, I checked the suffix on the block here. It is a 0010 block, so it's a 350. The suffix says that it was originally built in '74. It was for manual trans. Looks like it's got a Holley carb on it now, dual feed. Great looking valve covers. Exhaust manifolds look like they're stock. Alternator looks stock. It's got the big pulley that all the Z's had on it. Power brakes, power steering. Inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. They've carried the paintwork on the fenders right inside here. It looks beautiful. All the wiring looks good. Firewall's nice and clean. New insulation on the bottom side of the hood. Radiator looks like it's a fresh rebuild. Just a beautiful car, guys. Got the correct air cleaner on it. Period correct distributor, it looks like. She's beautiful, guys. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this beauty in your driveway.